All right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, all of you. Yes. Good evening, Chaitra, KV Chetan, Vadiraj, Pradeep, Ravi Kiran, Adesh, Pritesh. Good evening, Manpreet, Ganesh. Good evening. Good evening, Atab, Basavraj, Chaitra, Sanjana, Lasya. Good evening, guys. Good evening, Pranav. Screen is not there. How come screen is not there? Good evening, Danush. Good evening, Tanya, Gaurav, Pranav, Pratham. Good evening, guys. Right. So, what's the big news you have today? What is there which is in the news today? Big, something big. Yes, of course, Pritesh. What's the big news today? What is that, Adesh? Okay. All right, Gaurav. Right. One is, there are two big news, actually, according to me. One is obviously, I don't know whether you are following it or not. Armenia and Azerbaijan have agreed for ceasefire, right? Yes, Mohit. So they have gone for ceasefire due to Russia's efforts. Now we don't know whether how it will go along, right? All right, Adesh. And the second is obviously, yeah, obviously after 10 hours of meeting. Then the second big news is you have started getting your unit test marks. So the bombs and the artilleries which were being used in Armenia and Azerbaijan will be giving a big shot at your houses. So you'll start receiving your unit test marks slowly, right? Today this is a normal class, JEE class, no, like JEE class, basic class. I'll cover the normal syllabus. Tanya. Let's move ahead. I guess we have done enough of it, right? So let's move ahead. What we were discussing about last class? What we were discussing about last class? Good evening, Abhishek and Tejas. What were we discussing last class? Addition of alcohol, right? We are discussing examples of nucleophilic addition reaction in which we have discussed the addition of alcohols, right? Very good. So I had given you one homework to practice. HCN and NH2 was also discussed. Yes. So I told you to write the mechanism of this. Have you guys done the mechanism of this? Have you guys got the mechanism of this? This was easy mechanism. Achha. It was easy mechanism. Okay. What is tough then? Yes. I got this mechanism. Got it. So we'll discuss the mechanism of this, and then after that we'll go to the question part. Right, this is a very important reaction basically. Just note it down. It is also called used for, its application is basically, it is used for protection of CO group. It is used for protection of CO group, right? It is used for protection of CO group. All of you just check whether you guys have got the right mechanism or not. I'll write the mechanism of this, then I'll go to the question part. So if you take the carbonyl compound, yes, if you take the carbonyl compound and I take an alcohol with in acidic medium, so it's going to be a long mechanism. Please pay attention and please have patience. So this oxygen will donate lone pair of electrons to H plus first of all, and you'll get R, C double bond O, R. OH will donate a lone pair to H plus, and there will be a positive charge here. The next step may your OH of alcohol will act as a nucleophile. This CO bond will break like this. Oxygen gets a negative charge, carbon gets a positive charge. So OH will donate lone pair to carbon. So what do I get? I get R, C, OH, R. Oxygen has donated, just a minute. Yes, we'll do it like this. Oxygen has donated lone pair, CH2OH. So it will get a positive charge. Now how will it remove its positive charge? By losing H plus. So it will lose H plus and you'll get RCr OH. You'll get O CH2OH. So you have got COH OR. So we have got hemiacetal. Acidic medium you get acetal, so the reaction will continue. Any doubt in this? Anyone? Any doubt in this? Anyone? Right. Anyone having any doubt? Where is OR of hemiacetal? Acha, R means carbon. So this is OH. This is OR. R is carbon only, na? Pritesh. I wish somebody can invent a brain surgery in human medicine, right? Brain surgery where we can increase the efficiency of the brain. I wish somebody could invent it, right? It would have been very useful. At least I would have got many doctors, many patients, right? So if you take OH and if you take O, CH2, OH, right? If you take this, OH will donate a lone pair to H plus and you'll get OH. It donates a lone pair, it gets OH2 plus and you'll get O, CH2, CH2, OH. Right? Now what will happen? It will lose a molecule of water. Then this oxygen will donate a lone pair here because when you break this, oxygen gets negative, positive, negative, neutral, water is eliminated, carbon gets a positive charge, OH will donate lone pair to carbon. Same mechanism, the only difference is both OH are present in same carbon. So you had O, CH2, CH2, next OH has donated lone pair to carbon, so it will get a positive charge. Right? Now next step, what will happen? It will remove positive charge by losing H plus. So if it loses H plus, you'll get RCr O CH2 CH2. This is your ketal, cyclic ketals. Any doubt in this mechanism, anyone? Now we'll go to the application of this. This is a very important one. We'll go to the application of this. This is a very important one. Yes. Any doubt? Anyone in this? Any or many doubt? Anyone in this? ring is formed. Yes, you'll get a ring. If H plus attacks O again, no, it will not. Now, very good question. Finally, Pranav. Now, what can happen is H plus can again attack this. Obviously, it can happen. So again, OH plus, this bond will break. You'll get this. So reaction will become reversible. This whole reaction is reversible. This whole reaction is reversible. What does it mean? It means if you want to remove it and get back your ketone or aldehyde, right? If you want to remove it and get back your aldehyde or ketone, what you should do? Add H plus, right? So for protection or for addition of this, you will add H plus. For removal of this, also you will add H plus. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? So this reaction is reversible. So protection के लिए भी H plus use करोगे, deprotect करने के लिए भी H plus use करोगे. Is that clear? Which will be major product? Of course, this is your major product. There is no doubt about it. This is there in textbook. Mechanism ka I don't know. Reaction I think it is there. Mechanism ka I don't know. Reaction I think it is there. Now let's move ahead. Now what is the application of this? I wrote there also. I am writing here also. The application of this is, it is used for protection of CO group. I'll tell you the application of this. Dekho, the application of this is your yesterday's homework question. This one. So now you have added one equivalent of this, right? So first there is a ketone, RCOR. Ketone is there. Then there is a aldehyde, RCOH. So which will get protected, aldehyde or ketone? First you have to decide that. So this is used for protection. Which will be getting protected, aldehyde or ketone? Think carefully and answer. Which will get protected, aldehyde or ketone? Who will get protected, aldehyde or ketone? Very good, Ganesh. Yes. Aldehyde, guys, see here. This is an example of which reaction? Nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Who is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition reaction? Aldehyde or ketone? Who is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition reaction? Aldehyde or ketone? Aldehyde, right? So who will get, this will react with aldehyde first or ketone first? It will react with aldehyde first. How are you saying ketone? Matlab, literally, we need a brain surgery here. Literally, we need a brain surgery here. Right? Now I realize I should have been a medical profession. I should have definitely been able to help you. Because my sense is by teaching time, I may be able to help you 20-30%. But if I was a brain surgeon, best thing is go change the brain only. Right? So, who will get protected? Aldehyde will get protected, not ketone. Aldehydes are more reactive towards nucleophilic addition reaction. So, first you will protect aldehyde. So, I am doing it on next page. COH, if you treat it with ethane 1,2-diol in H+, this will get protected. So after protection, you will get C-double bond O. This as it is, cyclic ring you will get. Now you have treated it with Grignard reagent. So now CH3 MgBr. Grignard reagent will give you CH3 minus. Now CH3 minus will attack what? CO. correct? Now CH3 minus will attack CO. If you would have directly added CH3 MgBr to this, if you would have directly added CH3 MgBr to this, then CH3 minus would have attacked aldehyde, because aldehyde is more reactive, right? So then it would have attacked aldehyde because aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. If you want your less reactive ketone to react, right, then you have to protect more reactive aldehyde. That is the application of this. If you don't protect, your Grignard or nucleophile will react with aldehyde, not ketone. Now this Grignard will attack ketone, CH3 minus will attack ketone, and you will get O minus will take Mg plus, Br minus, this will get CH3, and this will remain as it is. O, CH2, CH2. After hydrolysis, what will happen? After hydrolysis, what will happen? What will happen after hydrolysis? O minus will take H plus. So you'll get CH3 here. Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? What is incorrect in this? What is incorrect in this? What is the problem here? Yes, very good, Netra. In the presence of acid, deprotection will also take place. In the presence of H plus, deprotection will also take place. I told you, if you add H plus, deprotection takes place. You'll get back your aldehyde. So in the presence of H plus, this will get deprotected and you will not get ketal. You'll get back your aldehyde. Right? So if you would have directly reacted it with this, then your product would have been this. Reaction would have taken place at aldehyde. But here reaction is taking place at ketone. So if you want to react less reactive aldehyde or ketone, then you should protect more reactive aldehyde and ketone. Let me write it. I am very much confident about your memory. So I am going to write it. If we want nucleophilic addition reaction to take place at less reactive carbonyl compound, then we protect more reactive carbonyl compound. Is that clear? But OH wants to send CH3 to ortho and para. OH wants to send CH3 to ortho and para. Pranav? Pranav, you would have been the first patient I would have recommended for brain surgery, you know. Abbe, ortho and para takes place in benzene. Where is benzene, Pranav? Phenol में होता है वो. Where is benzene? साइक्लोहेक्सेन को बेंजीन बना लेते हैं अपने आप. I personally feel many of you are lucky that you are attending online class. I just imagine if it was not an online class, I was in front of you or you were in front of me. The situation would have been very, very much non-violent, you know, very much non-violent. Chalo, after all, we believe in Gandhiji, non-violent. Let's move ahead. So any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Consider this as very, very important. Yes. Any doubt in this, anyone? Quickly respond. I will move ahead to the recall test. Recall test is similar to this. All right, so let's move ahead. I'll tell you what happens. There is a batch which I take just before this. There I have to tell the batch to stop messaging, ask less doubts, right? Don't respond much. That much they respond. And there is a batch which I take now where I have to tell, please write if you are clear, this, that, everything we have to tell. So you live in your own world only. You have some, you are like this guy. You are like this guy. You know why? सर को जो बोलना है बोलने दो, अपन वही करेंगे जो हमें करना है. Right. So let's move ahead with the recall test. Similar question, just the reagents are different. Try to tell me what answer you will get. Try to tell me what answer you will get. Try to tell me what answer you will get. Let me give you the option. Yeah. So here comes your options. Similar question, similar concept. Try to get the answer. Yes, don't just randomly answer it carefully. So I have got some answers by now. Let me see whether they are right or wrong. This is actually an interesting one. You have to basically decide which is more reactive between ester and ketone for nucleophilic addition reaction. That's the only good part in this question. So the answers which I am getting now, yes, I'm getting some of the correct answers also. I don't think so. Your answer is right, Manpreet. Ganesh, you're right. Pranav, obviously, you're choosing one of the smartest things. No, Samarth. Bhumika, right. Chalo, let's end this and discuss this. So we'll end it on a count of 3, 2, 1. So let's end it now and see what's our answer. Yes. So first thing we have to decide who will get protected, ester or ketone. So see, ketone mein you have 2 carbon ka plus side effect. And remember, rate of nucleophilic addition reaction is directly proportional to -I and -R effect. -I and -R effect. Right? But if you take this oxygen, oxygen is having -I because it is more electronegative than carbon. So obviously it is -I. But this oxygen is having lone pair. So this is which effect? It will donate lone pair. So plus R. Which is dominant? Plus R. So here carbonyl mein plus I is taking place. Here plus R is taking place. Which is dominant? Plus R. So plus R decreases the rate of plus I decreases rate of reaction. Among plus I, who will decrease more? Plus R. It's a bigger factor. So therefore, among ester and ketone, which is more reactive, ketone is more reactive, so it will get protected. It will get protected. So if I take it on next page, screen is gone. I don't know what's wrong here. Don't shout screen gone on the chat. This is what I know. देखो, जो आंसर करना होता है वो तो नहीं करते. If the screen goes, sir, no screen, sir, this, like this thing, everybody will answer. God, start praying, guys. Start praying. God can only help you. So this is your C double bond O. Then there is COOET. Then you protect it using your ethane diol in H plus, and you will get OCH2 protection, COET. Now LiAlH4 का रोल क्या होता है? What is the role of LiAlH4? LiAlH4 converts RCOOR to what? Test है. You have a test tomorrow. So what is the role of LiAlH4? It's a reducing agent. Of course, ester को कैसे reduce करेगा? It will convert this RCO part to RCH2OH, OR part to ROH. Correct? So this part will be converted to, देखो, RCO part will be converted to RCH2OH. So basically this CO will get converted to CH2OH. So what do you get here? You get CH2OH here, O ring here. Correct? This is what you will get. Now D protection, H plus, D protect. Sorry guys. So you'll get C double bond O and CH2OH. After D protection, you'll get your ketone back. So this is your answer. You will get, that is option number C. That is option number C. Yes. Any doubt in this? Anyone? Any doubt on this? Anyone? Last two steps. Other LiLH4 का role you should know, beta. We have done it in last chapter also. You should definitely know it. If you don't know it, go home and read. It is there in your test also. The role of LiLH4 is it converts ester. It reduces ester to alcohol. We have done it in detail there. So RCO part is reduced to RCH2OH. RO part is reduced to ROH. So this is your RCOOR. This will get converted into ROH. That means EDOH. And RCO will be converted to RCH2OH. So this RCO has become CH2OH, RCH2OH. Then H plus की presence में what happens? D protection. So we have removed protection. You'll get back your CO. Athar, you were sleeping kya? Athar, tell me, when I told you about D protection here, you were sleeping? Yes, Athar. Were you sleeping when I said in forward direction, if you want to go protection, you use H plus? And for D protection also you use H plus. You didn't pay attention here. Then, मतलब यहाँ पे clearly बोलने के बाद you are asking the same thing again. हाँ ऑब्वियसली, अगर लेट से नहीं भी सुना तो प्रोटेक्शन इज एडिंग ऑफ दिस. व्हाट इज डी प्रोटेक्शन? रिमूविंग ऑफ दिस. यू शुड डू दिस मैन. चलो, I hope it is clear now. So let me give you one more homework related to this which you can do. Let me do one more homework which you can practice on this. If you take this cyclohexanone only, treat it with, instead of OH I am giving you SH, thiol, H plus, it will give you A. Now you treat it with RLI or RMGX, and then eventually you treat it with, you'll get B. Treat that B with CS3Cl and check what product C you will get. Try to solve this question. It's a very good question. Okay? Try to solve this question. It's a very good question. Yeah. So let's move ahead with the next examples. I hope you have taken the homework. I hope you have taken down the homework. Yes. So let's move ahead then. So today we are going to learn how to add ammonia and ammonia derivative. So this is a very important one. So see this, if you take R, you know what is the thing which I hate the most? Guess, just imagine, what is the thing which I hate the most? Just imagine. How to stop reaction as H plus is always in solution. Take it out. As soon as it is formed, you take it out of the solution. You will not always keep it in solution, na? जैसे ही बनेगा निकाल लो. As soon as it is formed, you remove it. Right? No, I don't hate RCB the most. No, I hate the most important thing which people lack in life is common sense, logic. When people try to buy hard things, then I hate the most. Right? That's the most hateable thing which I have ever seen. No, students practice or not, it's their headache. But if when somebody is not, understanding logic, if it is not applying, right? This usually happens in the previous batch. So that is something which I hate the most. Now, if you see this, I'll give you example while teaching also. It will happen with you guys also. Don't worry. So now, if you take this, the reaction is quite simple. This is your ammonia. I have written ammonia as NH2H, H separately. So you will get this, remove H2O. Right, so you'll get RCr, double bond N, H. You'll get this, right? What is the name of this compound? You should tell me. What is the name of this compound? You have studied this. What is the name of this functional group or compound? Water is eliminated, of course. Amide नहीं है भाई ये. Yes, Pranav, very good. It is imine. Amide is RCONH2. Amide is RCONH2. This is imine. Okay? Now, let us come to the mechanism of this. Again, the mechanism is important and easy. So if you take the mechanism, it's pretty easy. Ammonia. What will happen in first step? Just guess. What will happen in first step? You can guess. What will happen in first step? In first step, adduct forms, or you can say CO bond breaks like this. Oxygen gets negative, carbon gets positive. Nucleophile will add to carbon having positive charge. You can say ammonia will come and donate lone pair here. You'll get RCr, O minus. Ammonia will donate lone pair. Right? Now ammonia will neutralize, nitrogen will neutralize the positive charge by losing H plus. So you'll get RCr. Nitrogen gets negative charge, negative positive neutral. H gets positive charge. Nitrogen negative, H positive. So H positive will be taken by O minus. So O minus will become OH, and you will have NH2 here. And you will have NH2 here. Right. Any doubt in this? Anyone? Yes. Any doubt in this? Anyone? Yeah, this is very easy. Will the reaction stop here? Our product is this. Will the reaction stop here? No. If you heat it a bit, what will happen? The OH from this carbon and H from this carbon will be eliminated as water. So you have H. So from carbon OH, nitrogen H is eliminated. Carbon one bond is free, nitrogen one bond is free. It will form a bond with itself. So you'll remove water here. So after removing water, you'll get RCr double bond NH. Is that clear, everyone? Any doubt in this? Yes. Any doubt in this reaction or mechanism? Any doubt in this reaction or mechanism? No doubts, right? Chalo, let's move forward then. We'll take now ammonia derivatives. We have taken ammonia. If I write RC double bond OR ketone and I react it with ammonia derivative. Ammonia derivative means NH2H is ammonia. Replace one H and keep it Z here. Z can be anything. We'll tell you what is Z can be, like what all values are possible for Z. We'll discuss that. Now, if you treat it, again water will be eliminated. Direct way of writing product is like this only. Remove water and you'll get C double bond R N Z. So this is the compound you'll get. This is the reaction for ammonia derivative. Ammonia derivative. Right? Now what will happen due to this? Now let us see what all these Z values are possible. If I take my Z value, then what is the name of ammonia derivative? And what product you will get? So if I take my Z value as OH, that means my ammonia derivative is NH2OH. This is known as hydroxylamine. It is hydroxylamine. Amine में आपने hydroxyl लगा दिया, right? There is a table in this book on this. Yes, this is there in your textbook. So if you take this is a very important reaction. Now your product will be, of course, RCr double bond NOH. This is your product, and your compound is known as oximes. Your compounds are known as oximes, right? If you take your Z as NH2, if you take your Z on NH2, you'll get NH2 as your reagent. It is known as hydrazine. It is known as hydrazine, right? Now, Yes, yes, Pritesh, it is. I taught it in geometrical isomers. You'll get it in hydrazine, and the compound formed will be RC double bond N, and Z is NH2. So NH2. These compounds are known as hydrazone. Hydrazone. Just I have kept instead of Z value of Z. Your Z is NH2. I have kept NH2 here. The compounds are known as hydrazone. Hydrazine ka product is hydrazone. And if you take instead of NH2, you take NHPH, benzene. Then your reactant will be NH2, NHPH. Then this is like hydrazine, where you have attached benzene. So it is phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine, right? And the product is known as phenyl hydrazone. RCR double bond N, NH, PH. Or you can write benzene also, up to you. This is phenyl hydrazone. Right. Is that clear, everyone? Any doubt in the first three examples? Anyone having any doubt in the first three examples? Anyone having any doubt in the first three examples, please ask. No doubts. Very good. So let's take the next one. What I'm going to do next is, in the same reactant, on the second position with respect to this ortho, second position पे NO2, third छोड़ के fourth position पे NO2. So 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine I'm going to take. So if I take actual mechanism is this na? I have already given you the mechanism na Pritesh. Same mechanism. NH2 तो सब में same ही रहेगा. Only you are changing this H part na. H की जगह you have taken Z. Nothing else. These reactions are to certain extent reversible, but you assume them irreversible now. For now you assume irreversible, but yes, amines can be hydrolyzed also. We know that. But you need acidic medium for imine to be hydrolyzed. In normal condition, you assume irreversible. Now, what else I can do? I'll take 2,4-diphenyl hydrazine. So if I take NH, benzene, NO2 here, and NO2 here. 2,4-dinitrophenyl. We have taken. The reagent is NH2, NH, benzene, NO2, NO2. This reagent is known as 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine, also written as 2,4-DNP. 2,4-DNP. And your product obtained will be RCR double bond N, H, benzene, NO2, NO2. You'll get this product. This is known as 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. It is orange color. Since it is orange color, it is showing a color. This is used as a test, as a distinguished test. Used as a distinguished test to detect presence of C double bond O group, that is carbonyl group. to detect the presence of C double bond O group, that is carbonyl group. That means if you want to differentiate between aldehyde and alcohol, so in both of them you add 2,4-DNP, right? 2,4-DNP. So aldehyde will give you orange color, and here no reaction, right? So therefore this test is also used as 2,4-DNP test, right? Is that clear? It is very important from JEE Mains point of view. Now last is, if you take, what are we going to take? Yes, we are going to take Z as C double bond O NH NH2, right? So your reagent will become NH2 C double bond O NH NH2. You'll get this. This is known as semi-carbazide. It is known as semi-carbazide, and your product obtained will be RC double bond N NH. That means this nitrogen is participating in bonding. So water will be eliminated from here, H2O, not from here. So NNHCO NH2, NNHCO NH2. Right? These compounds are known as semi-carbazone. Semi-carbazide का product is semi-carbazone. Right? It is 2,4-DNP रे, डाइनाइट्रो, N for nitro. देखो अगेन, जिसने भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछा नरेन, अगेन तुमने लॉजिक नहीं लगाया, कॉमन सेंस लगाते तो पता लग जाता डाइनाइट्रो, therefore DN होना चाहिए, right? So yeah, now the one question which comes here is, till here this nitrogen RC double bond OR, till here this water was eliminated like this with this nitrogen, but now in this semi-carbazone, why this nitrogen is participating in bonding? Not this, not this. Why this nitrogen is participating in bonding? You wrote extra NH. I didn't write any extra NH. I did not write any extra NH. I have written it correctly only. Athar. Extra NH कहाँ लिखा है? NNH लिखा है. हाँ, it is correct. Final. Yeah. Why this is not? These two are not participating in bonding because to participate in bonding, the reaction is nucleophilic addition. So they should attack as a nucleophile, right? But the lone pair of this nitrogen and this nitrogen is involved in resonance, right? Since the lone pair is involved in resonance, therefore these two nitrogen cannot participate. So these two nitrogen do not participate. I'm writing it here. They don't participate in bonding, don't participate in reaction, because their lone pair is involved in resonance with CO. Right? Is that clear, everyone? Very good, Basavraj. Very good, Ganesh. So, yeah, any doubt in any of these examples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any doubt in any of these? Yes, I know a lot of them are there, but still, any doubt in any of these? Very good. Chalo, let's move ahead then. Yeah, let's do a question on this. This is your first question. Read and solve the question carefully. Again, your knowledge of GOC is tested here. Again, your knowledge of GOC is tested here. Yes, again, your knowledge of GOC is tested here. Yes, so you'll have another 30 seconds for this. So there's nothing solving required here. So you need only 30 seconds for this. Very good, Rohan. Very good, Pranav. Very good. Right. So let me see. Sanath, you're right. Ganesh, you're right. Ravi Kiran, right. Chaitra, right. Yes. So we are ending this question now. We are ending this question now on account of 3. Yes, screen is gone. Just a minute, guys. That's the problem. Yes. So we are ending this, guys, on account of 3, 2, 1 now. So let's end this now. Yes. So that's pretty easy. You'll get an oxime. There is no doubt about it. If you eliminate, let us write it like this: C6H5, C double bond OH, right? And if you remove NH2OH, you'll remove a water molecule and you'll get C6H5H, C double bond NOH. Oxime you'll get. Now there is one lone pair. Now if H and OH are opposite to it, you'll get anti. And if they are syn to each other, OH and H, then this is your syn. Both will be obtained as the product. You will get both as the product. You will get both syn and anti as the product. So your correct answer here is C. So your correct answer here is C. Right? Any doubt in this? Anyone? Any doubt in this? Yeah, quickly. Any doubt on this? Any doubt in this? Chalo, I'm sure you don't have any doubt on this. So let's move ahead. So this is your next question. Similar concept based. Use your logic and tell me the answer. Use your logic and tell me the answer. Use your logic and tell me the answer. Yes. So this is probably going to be our last question for today. Right. So you have another 30 seconds to finish this. So please do it fast. Right. So let's end it on a count of 3, 2, 1. Let's end this now. Right? Yes. So that's a good question actually. All of you should know the role of PCC by now. You are studying for tomorrow's test. So it is acting as oxidizing agent. It will oxidize your alcohol, secondary alcohol it is. So you'll get a ketone here and it will react with CH3NH2. So NH2CH3, H2O will be eliminated and you'll get cyclohexane NCH3. Right, you'll get this. This is again your kind of imine, you can say that. Now if you add H2 palladium carbon on it, it will be used for hydrogenation. So hydrogenation is breaking of this bond. So double bond will break, CH3 as it is, one hydrogen will be added here, one hydrogen will be added here. So I think you should get this as a product. Just check which option is matching. You get this as product, just check which option is matching. You are getting option A. You are getting option A. NHCH3. You'll get NHCH3. Any doubt in this? Anyone? This is a very easy question. Just do the hydrogenation. Add hydrogen here, add hydrogen here. Yeah. I think that's all you'll get. So this should be A as the answer. Right. So next topic we have to learn is aldol condensation. We are done with nucleophilic addition reaction. We have to do condensation reactions. Basically two condensation reactions, aldol and Cannizzaro. So I'll give you the reaction of aldol today, right? So condition for aldol condensation is, it's important for your boards also. For your CET, JEE, NEET, every exam you will get this. Right, so the condition is to give aldol condensation, the condition is there must be at least one alpha hydrogen. There must be at least one alpha hydrogen. One alpha hydrogen, right? So if you take this RCOCH3, so first let us see what is the reaction. When aldehydes and ketones are having alpha hydrogen, are treated with dilute NaOH, right? Then beta hydroxy aldehydes and ketones are obtained. Beta hydroxy aldehydes and ketones are obtained. This reaction is called aldol condensation. This reaction is called aldol condensation. I'll give you an example. If you take CH3COH, can it give aldol condensation? There is a CO, next carbon is alpha carbon, it is having 3 alpha hydrogen, so it can give aldol condensation. So we are talking about self aldol condensation here. If you treat it with dilute NaOH, you'll get beta hydroxy compound. So you'll get CH3COH, H, CH2COH. This will be obtained as a product. You can see CO ka next carbon is alpha, next carbon is beta. So on beta carbon you have OH, so you'll get beta hydroxyaldehyde or ketone. Right? These compounds are known as aldol. Why aldol? Because it contains aldehyde functional group ALD. It contains OH functional group OL. So it is known as aldol. We'll discuss how it is formed, the mechanism of this in next class. This is very important reaction. So anyways, I will have to revise it in next class. So we'll discuss the mechanism of this in next class. So Adesh is saying, see, carbon already has carbon has 1 hydrogen. कुछ भी बोल रहा है आदेश? Yeah, this is your last. Yeah, you can take a screenshot. We are done here. We'll move to Kahoot post this and end our today's class. Tomorrow के लिए make sure you revise notes very well. Reagents you should know very well, and practice some previous year questions. That should be sufficient, right? So you can log into Kahoot. We will end this class with a Kahoot. Then yes. So yes, so your game pin is 5565498. 5565498. 5565498 is your game pin. 5565498 is your game pin. Right. So I can see a lot of you have already joined. Right. So log in quickly. I will start this one early. Since I am going to start this one early, so log in quickly. Right, so we are starting it here now. Anybody else who is in waiting? Anybody else who is in waiting? Pranav. So I think we can start without Pranav also. That's completely fine to start without Pranav. Pranav is in. Shit. Kishore, you are in. Kishore, you are in. Kishore is in. Anybody else who is in waiting? Anybody else who is in waiting? Yes, guys. Anybody else who is in waiting? Chalo, let's move ahead then. अरे ये तो मिर्जापुर वाले जान खा के मानेंगे. So I think everybody is in. So we'll start. Yes. So let's start now. Today, as IS Pesha is not here, So she had demanded Shin-chan. I don't know why she is not here. So today's Kahoot is on Shin-chan. Right. So yeah, what is in this? There's a spelling mistake here. I hope you guys see this anime. So what is the full form of Shin-chan? What is the full form of Shin-chan? This is an easy one for all of you, I guess, because all of you, you know, practice or like watch this very religiously. Yes, and the answer is, I was knowing most of you will do it wrong. It is Shinosuke Noara. Not Shin-chan Noara, it is Shinosuke Noara. Is the full form. Right? Next one. Siddharth on top, Ankita VJ on second, Attar on third, Aditi DS, and Khushi in top 5. I am surprised even the people who read whole day also watch this shows. What is color of Shin-chan dog, Shiro? That's an easy question. What is the color of Shin-chan's dog, Shiro? That's a very easy question. Right, and your answer is yes, as you answered, white. His dog is white. Siddharth gone. Ankita VJ and Aditi on top. Khushi is third. Charlie Chaplin on fourth. Sagar Patil on fifth. Next one. Third question. Which vegetable Shin-chan hates to eat? Which vegetable? You can choose it among them. Which vegetable Shin-chan hates to eat? Right. And the answer is yes. Guys, you guys watch this. It's a popular show then. It is Shimla Mirch, capsicum. He hates to eat capsicum. Ankita VJ still on the top, Aditi still on the second, Khushi on third, Sagar and Charlie Chappell on fourth and fifth. Basically, top 5 is remaining same. Right. The next one. Whom does Shin-chan's sister Yoshinaga marry? Whom does Shin-chan's sister Yoshinaga marry? That's also a kind of an easy question if you follow it. Right. And your answer is yes. It is Ishita Junichi. Congratulations, Pritesh. You got one right at least. So yes, Ankita VJ still on top, Aditi still on second, Charlie Chaplin, KV Chetar, Nirja in top 5. I'm surprised how Ankita has maintained a big lead. Right. Pritesh also watch this, yeah? So last one. Last one. What's the name of Shin-chan's only female friend? What's the name of Shin-chan's only female friend? Yes, that's an easy question. I guess Pranav should definitely get it right. Yeah, Pranav? Pranav should have answered 10 times by now. Yes, and the answer is, it is Nene. It is Nene. I never watched this show. Shit, Pranav, I'm sad for you. I'm feeling sad for you. Right. Let's see the top list. Obviously, we know the top 2. So third we have Adesh. Surprisingly, Adesh has come in top 5 out of nowhere. KV Chetan is on second. Imagine. Where are you, Aditi? You are gone. Ankita VJ on top as usual. Janvi has replaced Aditi in top 5. That's quite funny. Narek is also in top 5. So well played, guys. This was fun. Adesh had stepped in, Aditi had gone in last question, and Janvi replaced Aditi. What else can you get better than this? I don't like it, Athar. Right. Yeah, Sanat, speed matters. हाँ Pritesh, still 7. Still 7, Pritesh. Great way to go. Need for speed. Yes. Correct. You can write a mail to the Risha ma'am Kishore. Risha ma'am, text a message or talk to Risha ma'am Kishore. Right? Yes, Viresh, sure. Chalo, let's end this here, guys. So we'll end this here and we'll meet again on Monday with aldol condensation and much more questions. Arey, nahi Adesh, I will take it physically, Adesh. It online it will take a lot of time. It will not be finished early. I know that. I will come there and take it physically. Yes. Yes, Gautam, we can definitely do it. Right. So let's end it here. Till then, you guys study well. Wish you all the best for tomorrow's exam. Do well, prepare well, revise well, and perform well. Right? Yeah, Rohan, I saw that. Chalo, let's end it here. Take care, all of you. Have a good day ahead, and may God bless you all.